Lesson 9, Families of Facts. We went over some basics about subtraction in the last lesson, and we talked about the subtraction facts, remember? The one thing that's neat about the subtraction facts is that if you forget one, you can use your knowledge of addition to find the answer. Let me show you what I mean. What if you can't remember the answer to this subtraction 14 minus 8? Well, just think about it like an addition problem. What number, when you add it to 8, equals 14? What's that missing number? Exactly right. But since 8 plus 6 equals 14, we know automatically that 14 minus 8 has to equal 6. Those two go together. That's how you can find the answer to a subtraction fact that you forgot. Now you try one. Figure out 16 minus 9 by using addition. Good. All you have to do is think of the number that you add to 9 to get 16. And it's 7 because 9 plus 7 equals 16. And so you know automatically that 16 minus 9 also has to equal 7. The reason that works is that addition and subtraction go together. One is the reverse of the other. Let's go back to 14 minus 8 equals 6 and 8 plus 6 equals 14. Notice the subtraction and addition have the same numbers, but they're just in different places. And we can even make two more problems out of these numbers. Another addition is 6 plus 8 equals 14. We know that has to be true because you can add numbers in any order. So 8 plus 6 is the same as 6 plus 8. Another subtraction is 14 minus 6 equals 8. This also has to be true. Think about it this way. What number added to 6 gives you 14? And it's 8. So 14 minus 6 has to equal 8. All four of these problems, though, make up what's called a family of facts. The family has two addition problems and two subtraction problems. Let's see if you can figure out another family of facts. I'll give you the first one. 12 minus 9 equals 3. Click on an addition problem that goes with this subtraction. You got it. If you had forgotten 12 minus 9, you could have used 9 plus 3 equals 12 to get the answer. You could have just asked yourself, what number added to 9 equals 12? It's 3, and so 12 minus 9 has to equal 3. Now see if you can find another subtraction problem that goes with 12 minus 9 equals 3. Exactly. There's one more problem that goes with this family of facts. It's an addition. See if you can pick it out. Perfect. Here are all four of the problems in this family of facts.